The first step is preparation of installation disk. Go to Google and search the OS installation group in YouTube. And then click the following URL and scroll down, then click download tool now. This may take a few minutes and please be patient. After that, click the tool that you have downloaded and we can see this. After that, click accept. Then choose create installation media for another PC and then click next. Then click next. After that, choose ISO file and then click next. And then you may save it in your own folder. After that, it will download in the Windows 10. This will take a few minutes and you need to be patient. After settle it, click finish and done.
Installation of virtual machine. First of all, you need to go to Google Chrome and search for an Oracle with VirtualBox. The result coming out, you need to choose the first option on the screen, same like this screen, and you can see the display screen like this, and you need to look at the left. There are options like about, screenshot, documentation and so on, but you just need to click the downloads options. Next, you need to make sure that display that come out is the same like my current display, and the display you can see the option Windows host, OS X host, Linux distribution, Solaris host and Solaris 11 IPS host, and you need to choose and double click on the Windows host. After that, it will automatically continue download. You can see at the bottom download percentage and the size of the application. And you need to wait a few minutes, and it depends on your internet network speed. Once the download is ready, you need to double click on it and you need to press next button, and also press the next button for this one, and then for the custom setup you need to choose next button also. This one you need to press yes. And lastly, install. On this section, you need to wait a while for the download process of the application, and lastly, you need to press finish button. After that, you need to go to your desktop and click at this application to make sure that the Oracle and VirtualBox is usable.
First, go to the virtual machine icon, click on the button New, then rename your operating system as Windows 10. Then click Next button. Then change the memory size. After that, click on the Create Virtual Hard Disk now. Choose the hard disk file type and click Next. After that, change the file location and size. Next, click on the button setting and click on the storage on the left. Press on the button empty and choose the optical drive on the right and click on choose or create a virtual optical disk. Then click the button Apps and browse the window file location. Click button Add and choose the window file and click OK. Now on the top of your VirtualBox, click the button Start. A few minutes it will display with the selection of the language. After that, click to install now. Then click on the I don't have a product key. Choose the Windows 10 Home. Then read and click Accept for license terms. Then choose the custom install the window only. Choose the location that you want to install the window. After that, wait for the installing window complete. After that, choose the region and click Yes. Choose the keyboard layout and just skip for the second keyboard. Then create your account. After that, insert your email and password. choose your region and birthday. In this section, just set up your PIN number. Over here, just click accept. Then just click skip for this section. Then just click on no thanks on the left side. This section, just click not now and then wait for your window to install and don't turn off your PC.
Last but not least, here is the step 4, which is it will show my computer. This is my computer, recycle bin. This is my recycle bin. Networks, here the networks and document, and also will show control panel. So this is my control panel. You can see what inside in this control panel. And next we need to change our wallpaper desktop, which is we use logo of UITM for our wallpaper. Soon we go to gallery and we need to change into the university logo. In a task for step 4, we need to show the system of information in our laptop. Here is the example of my laptop system information. To perform this partition, we need to be very carefully while doing this step because it might be run our own laptop. So this is the following step on how to do the perform of this partition. You can go to the PC and click the manage. If you're inside of the manage, you can choose this management. And so now we go to this partition. So this is what it look like before we do the partition, and then we go to the new volume, and then we need to double click and choose a shift volume, and it will appear like this. You need to change it to 2048 on the disk. So this is how like after we shrink and we do the partition. And next we need to double click until it pop up new simple volume, and then just click the next and also next for this step. And next we need to choose B. Just click next until it appears finish, and you need to click on finish. This is a new file. If we click on this file, it will appear empty because it have nothing, and we need to rename it as a data, and it will appear a new log after we do this partition. Okay, and then I will show you how to set up your visual memory, which is you need to go to control panel and select system and security, and also need to select system and go to advanced system setting for the setting best performance. After appear the system, we need to choose a performance. To adjust the best performance, I will go for use drop shadows mode, X and short terminal, and I will go to the advanced and also change virtual system, which is need to click the custom size, and also recommend my own MB. The maximum of the size you can choose as you want, such as 1500. After that, we need to set and just click OK. And then it will restart by itself, and you need to wait a minute. To make sure, you need to go to the control panel, click system and security, and we need to go to system, and this is show how to set up your virtual memory. And now we move to how to create a user account. First and foremost, we need to go to the control panel and go to user account, and then click the manage of your account and add a new user on the PC without Microsoft account. And you need to fill in the name and the security password, and then the question in case you forget the password. It is as a security system to yourself. Here the guideline for this step, and it will show you how to get the user account. In this case, I add K for Kedah in UITM. So after finish this step, it will appear a new user account on this PC. So we need to go to group account, and here we go. So we can see there are 3 types of user account, and which is the one of them is UITM K, which is K for Kedah. In the window, we need to right click at home and then run. And this is no group account on this PC, so I need to download from internet. Here are the loop SMRGR, which is I download in the internet, and I run in my computer. After running up, we need to click group in the source, and then I need to add button pass in the group source. It will create a new group. You need to fill the group name, description, and also group members. As we can see, it have a plus button, and we need to click at there and choose UITM key as a group members. And now I will show you how to share a folder. Firstly, you need to create a new folder and go to next property to fill up your name, and then open the properties and choose share. To share, you need to choose your ITM key as the person that you give the permission, and then choose no make the network and I'm connect to a private network. After you share a folder, you just click done. And then go to the security, and you need to choose advanced. Just click OK for this step. Go to customize and allow apply this template to all subfolder, and just apply it to your desktop. In addition, I will also show how to run Task Manager, which is you need to create a shortcut, which is it look like a Task Manager in a window, and you go to the System 32 and search Task MGR. After get the Task MGR, we need to show more option and choose a create a shortcut. After create a shortcut, you can open it and see how it performs and how it works. So here we go, and we see the Task MGR works. And you can see the process performance at installing setup user virtual service. We will show all the device and all the run process in our desktop. So you can see it one by one and with the detail. So it also show a CPU and also show everything in our desktop. So here we go, and enjoy your details.
Yeah, finally, this is the last step, which is how to change computer name in our desktop, which is we need to search accessibility, and then we need go to about and rename your name PC. Just click it until it pop up rename your PC, and just type your name. Such my name is Shazwani, and just click button next until it appear restart now. Last, just click the button restart and your laptop will be restart and will appear Shazwani as your setup after your PC or your laptop. As appear, the PC will be changed to Shazwani. That's all to set your operating system. That's all from me. Thank you. A conclusion. The operating system that known as OS that manage computer hardware and software resource also provides standard service for computer. We must understand how to use it and recognize the advantages and disadvantages. It is because in addition to have the wonderful operating systems, we need to have our own knowledge. And that's all from us. Thank you for watching.